So first things first, we're going to throw our footage onto track 1. Grab and hold, left click, put into track 1. V1 here, A roll is my track 1. Now we have our footage on the timeline and we can start cutting. What you're going to do is right here, this is your blade, or you can hit B for blade, and it'll give you this little blade on your footage. You can swing in and see, scrub a little bit. See right here, I start talking, so let's put a cut right here. And then I'm talking and I stop again, so let's put a cut. Where did I stop talking? Right here. Put a cut there, and then there's more footage here where I'm just sitting there. Oh, started talking again, so I'm going to put a cut here just to take that dead spot out. While I'm talking, I'll scrub. Another one, cut here. Okay, so I've made some cuts, put some stuff together. Now I'm going to hit the arrow right here, which is your selection tool, or you can hit A on your keyboard. And what we're going to do is we're just going to lift up the ones that we don't want. Don't need that, don't need that, don't need this. So that is all pieces where I'm not talking. Another quick tip is keep in mind that when you're doing this, if you take a look at your WAV file, which right now is under dialogue for my stuff I'm keeping, if you look at the wave, you can see where you're talking. So if you've got dead spots where you're thinking or anything like that, you can actually come in here, you can just cut by what is on the wave line, and that'll cut out your silences. Now, if your tracks keep on moving, you can't see them. What you can do is on your mouse with your wheel, you click on the wheel button, you can slide that and keep on moving down and making your cuts. Or right here, this guy right here, this is your magnification for your timeline. It actually makes it smaller, makes it bigger. So then you can get a better look at it and see what's going on. Now the keyboard shortcuts on zooming in and out of the timeline are negative, your subtract button to zoom out, and your equals or plus button to zoom in. Now to delete everything, we're going to grab everything with the selection tool. We're going to click off of your clip, left click, drag down, just like anything on any computer really for selection. Grab them and hit delete. Now they're gone. But we've got all these gaps. And we're way out here at 8 seconds already for when the video starts. In order to fix that up, all we got to do is go up to the top, go to edit, and scroll down here to delete gaps. One click there and everything is moved to the beginning of your timeline. No gaps, ready for you to start trimming. So that's great. Now we've been able to make our cuts and move the pieces we don't want up out of the way, delete them, and then close up all the gaps. But what if you could pick only the best parts before they even hit the timeline? Now you don't have to delete things and close up gaps. To speed this up even more, you can grab my free DaVinci Resolve template linked in the description. Already has the track layout and organization set up for you, so it makes things a lot easier. It's completely free, you can grab it and have at it. Now method 2 is the in and out point editing. And what we're going to do is we're going to double click our media, and that's going to open it up in the source viewer. And what I can actually do is scrub through, and I can push I to set an in point and push O to set an out point. I can hit F9 to insert that into my timeline, or I can grab just in the middle of the frame here and bring it down. Because I have in and out points already set, it's only going to bring that section that I placed the in and out points on. These little icons here, if I only want the video or I only want the audio, I can grab a hold of the screen here or here, depending on which I'd like, and drop that down into the timeline as well. If I grab here, you'll see it only brings down the audio. If I grab here, you'll see it only brings down the video without audio. Now you can repeat for additional clips simply by double clicking again, finding where you were, and find the next spot where you're talking again. So we can put another in point and an out point. And grab it here, bring it down, and it's only bringing the spots where I had the in and out points. If I want to do it again, I double click again, up comes my source viewer, here we go. And that's more or less the in and out point method of cutting your videos. It's actually easier in the cut page. I'll put out another video for that because you can get a lot more involved as well. If you think about it, that's seconds saved per cut, which means minutes saved per project, hours saved per week. If you like this, watch this one next. I'll show you how to set up your templates so you can stay organized and basically do it all with just one click. And grab that free template in the description. You'll have this workflow set up before your next edit. All right, say hi to DaVinci for me, guys, and I will catch you in the next one.